Greetings there friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and how are you today? Today's practice, again, going back to basics, it's the breath, and we're going to practice 4-8 breathing, which is because we're breathing, let me just rewind, 4-8 breathing, you breathe in for a count of 4, and you gently and lovingly exhale for a count of 8, ideally through your nose. And the idea is that when you extend the exhalation, that invites the relaxation response. It kicks in, helps to kick in the relaxation response, the rest and digest part of the nervous system. And it's perfect to do, particularly if you wake up during the night and you have trouble sleeping, or if your mind is super busy and you struggle to unwind during the day. Just take time out from your routine, step back, pause, step back, and do 4-8 breathing, and it's incredible. It really invites that sense of, it soothes and relaxes the nervous system. Okay, so let's get a drink. So as usual, anytime we come to practice, and if you really are feeling overwhelmed and anxious, just taking time to consciously settle into your body. And by settling into your body and gathering your thoughts, that is a process, and again it takes practice to really, to really lock it into your body, and just enjoy the journey. So you're rushing around, your head's full, you got to pause, yet you're in that frenzied manic state. Step back, physically take a step back, either just move your body back or take a physical step back. Look around the horizon, notice what you notice, and when it all looks, you feel, okay, I can take this time now just for myself, just to calm this nervous system. Step into the body, consciously say, body, please accept me. Invite yourself into your body. Notice what is happening in the body, all the aches, pains, sensations and messages, any area which feels tight or sore, just notice it all. Notice the way the shoulders are sitting in the sockets, the space between the ears and the shoulders. Bring your awareness to your hands and notice your hands, where they're resting on your body. Just observe the contact, that touch, whether it's a firm touch. You may even want to stroke your body, stroke your knees, yeah? Physically trace the outline of your body, just something to take your awareness away from those thoughts, away from the busyness, that running crazy thoughts. Stroke your body, feel that contact, invite a loving touch, the head, the throat, the chest, even the armpits, the lymph system, yeah? Really just get a sense of stroking away the worries, flick it off. Well, that feels good. And then find your breath. Come back. Breathe out through the mouth, inhale through the nose, through the mouth. You're just really reconnecting, starting that conscious journey of reconnecting with your breath, with your body, taking that pause, letting go, releasing the hold of that busy hamster wheel. And then just check in, notice what you notice, what's going on, how do you feel? And then as you're processing how you're feeling, just see if you can become aware of the breath. Notice what you notice. See if you can get a sense of the in-breath and let it flow. See how you can invite a sense of length, depth, quality of love, expansion to the breath. Just let it flow. There's no rules, there's no instructions. It's just you and your breath right now. In the present moment, that's all we have, is noticing how you're breathing. An observer, a witness to the breath. Be that person right now. And as you become more aware of what's happening with your breath, invite a sense of ease. Let your body know, let your brain know, and the mind know that for the next 5 rounds, you're going to be breathing in for a count of 4, and you're going to softly breathe out for a count of 8. Let the body know that all is safe. You scan the horizon, you're ready for the practice. Okay, so take that full breath out. And let's softly breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your shoulders lowered. Exhale through the nose. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. All round. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And let's just do one more for fun. One more. We really give our fullest awareness, our fullest intention, all our love, calling all your ancestors, your guides, your angels, your loved ones, and together let's do this breath for the world. Let's breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, and just return back to the everyday breath. Well done. Noticing what you notice. Ooh, well done, dear friends. Excellent work. Ooh, let me know how you feel, how you found that practice. Again, there's no right or wrong. It's called a practice because the more we practice, the more we set the groove, we let the body know that this is what's happening. We're taking charge, we're responding proactively to a situation, and we're using our breath to calm the nervous system. Well done, dear friends. Self-love. Yes. High five. Well done. Take care.